Okay, so instead of a one queen speech, now you've got two queens. So, Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope you've had a fantabulous year. We certainly have. And this video is all our best flames out of exhausts from this year. So if your car's made it into this compilation, well done. This video is going to be very noisy, so RIP your speakers. But lots of flames, lots of fireworks for New Year's Eve. So, like I said, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And do you want to say anything, Rich, at all?
Oh, I just want to dedicate it to DS Motor Services, B3 and B4. That's what I'd like to dedicate it to.
Are you wishing them well?
Yeah, I am wishing them well, yeah.
That's great, Rich. Thanks, mate. We'll see you next year.